This is Under70, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can unarchive files or unpack files from archives on this device. So to begin with, I'll let you know that I'm going to use the free and convenient Rar application for it. So launch the app, then go to the file archive that you would like to unzip. In my case, it is located at the movies folder, thumbnails. Here it is. Then select it. Tap on the archive with the arrow pointing upwards icon. Choose what extraction preferences and options you would like to have it, go with. And once you're ready to decompress, tap on the OK option. And as you can see, the file gets unarchived already. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.